All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader. We live, baby. May 14th, Tuesday, right? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Or is it Wednesday? It's Wednesday. My bad. Oh, okay. I was trying to sync my journal this morning. I just got an email from my broker saying they're aware between a sync between DOS and prop report. All right, I was about to say, man, I really wanted to see yesterday's dub on the calendar this morning, but it's all good. Three Pony, Kizzy Bop, what's good, y'all? Ah, man, so I actually have six things on watch today, which is scary. Usually, when I increase my watch charts, things get a little out of control, but um, I think I have some really good stuff going here. Small cap land, I got SEP in. Lucy, and QNRX all had pretty good catalysts. The dailies on QNRX, I thought this wasn't good, but my guy Trey told me this is a reverse split situation, so these don't really mean anything. And then Lucy over here, I don't like this candle at all, but they got really good, their catalyst is really good. They're really good earnings. So I think we can maybe blast through this. But we'll see. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Yeah, but then I got SMCI, AMD, and WRD, which I'm looking for the daily breakout on WRD. They got like some new, they got 8 new 24/7 robo taxi routes starting in China. So that seems pretty significant, but we'll see. AMD and SMCI both have a chip deal with Saudi. Oh, is my background frozen? Let's keep happening. Let me restart that. Aha. Appreciate it, Alex. Um yeah, all right. So my large caps, SMCI, AMD, and WRD. Again, it's AMD and SMCI, I think have a chip deal with Saudi. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. I'm waiting for that big day to really like give me some distance from, the scary part. I'm risking a lot right now compared to my account size. What up, Santa? Like yesterday I made like 31% in my account. So I'm really looking for that like 6, 7, 8 hour day that could just like give me some breathing room. Um, But, we just got to be consistent with our execution. I think we'll be okay. It's the 5 minute pullback after a higher high. That's what it is. And based on the pullback, if it pulls back, based on the pullback, you decide if you still think it's going to continue up. But you got to have the higher high first. That's one thing because I've gotten a lot of good trades in off of just the higher low without the higher high being put in first. But it's definitely a gamble at that point. Because it could just come up and make a lower high and continue down. But really making the absolute most necessary criteria being that higher high has what I think is what's really helped me avoid a lot of these losers. Oh, gee, what's going on? Um, yeah, man. What's the market looking like after yesterday? Okay, we still looking pretty bullish. Under yesterday's high though. But I mean 589.08, not far to go. All right, let me read through this real quick. All right, so got my red scatter hundo. That just happened here. All right, there we go. All right. Watch list criteria. PLTU. I saw PLTR. I looked at PLTR today, man. Yeesh. Yeah, it's got energy, man. Woo-wee. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to put this on. Had a big day yesterday though, but this is definitely a solid level. Got this day to fight against. Imagine getting up to 68 today. Yeah, I might keep a little side eye on PLTU. This is the day after a wide range day. Yeah, nah, I can't mess with PLTU. Can't do it. It looks strong though. It's definitely in position, but after yesterday, I just think it's more likely to chill than go somewhere. Do, 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 do. That's looking pretty bullish right now. Leon, what's going on, Leon? Feel like it's been a minute. Yeah, this is pretty cool right here, actually. Except for this low is like, you ain't got no higher high. You had to break over this first. But it looks strong, especially on that volume. Super wide range entry. No, thank you. But you need the higher high anyway, so. Put a line over this opening range. That's where we need to go over and pull back to. All right, AMD. Oh, look at that on AMD, bro. Oh, God. Oh, God. That is a sweet 1 minute setup, bro. I almost jumped in there so fast just now. Yeah, Kizzy. Things have changed, bro. Things have changed with me on the inside, bro. I'm like, I don't know. I'm just ready to wait for a good trade now. I get it now. It definitely is just how you're thinking about it. Like once the strategy's like decent and you're just not trading the strategy. I mean, that's obvious. It's you can't. Yeah, just the inability to trade the strategy is what I've been struggling with for probably 4 years. I think I had a good enough strategy. Like looking at what I was doing back then, and where I'm at now, I had a good enough strategy back then to be profitable, like my first year. But I was just too inconsistent. I couldn't trade the strategy consistently. I couldn't come in every day and do nothing but the strategy. It's impossible. So the only days I did well were when everything I was watching did well. Because I was going to trade everything I was watching. Period. Man, that's crazy. All right, but everybody's daily is above the EMA, right? Yeah, word's looking raggedy. So is Dude's chilling, SMCI. All right. Wait for pullback to EMA. Red 5-minute hammer. Not below EMA. Higher high is a must. Yeah, the higher low was the thing I was hung up on more than anything, but it's actually the higher high that makes it everything. UNRX halted down right at the low of this candle. This 799. Dang, got a 710 on the ask already. That's bad. Oh, imagine halted down and you seeing 710 on the B. Please. Please. Yeah, Alex. We here, bro. One thing though that I feel like was positive about it taking so long. I mean, not really. I guess it's like just trying to make lemonade out of lemons, but I did get a ton of experience, man. Trading the way I was the last 5 years, like 20 trades a day, 10 trades a day. A lot of experience reading these charts. And I feel like that has helped me a lot. Ain't no watching a chart like the way you watch a chart when you in a red position. And I got hella experience being in red positions over these last 5 years, just like staring at the chart. It's like, oh my God. But yeah, man, for sure, Kizzy. Appreciate you, bro. Um, know about this right here. Is everything dead? The whole market halted? Am I tripping? Or is my what's going on, bro? What was that? I got scared for a second. Low key, there's this small fear in my head that the stock market's gonna shut down right when I get profitable, and it's just gonna be like all for nothing. uh, Man, what up, Pharaoh? HWH. Wow, that looks pretty good. Got this big old high volume day to battle with though. This another reverse split? Or just a crappy daily? Ooh, that 1 minute play would have been terrible on AMD. I would have felt so mad at myself. Oh my God. That's hilarious. That's on me, but shorted in Q. Yeah, it's starting to look like that for sure. Dang. Hey, way to go, Leon. That thing is rolling, huh? Signature. How's it going, bro? That's on me, baby. Yeah, man. It's going well, bro. It's been going well. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. HWH. It's a pretty nasty opening sequence. Same on AMD, same on SMCI. Well, large caps have all but died. At least the ones I was looking at. Where's my scanner at? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just need that high back over 1133, dog. Uh-oh, look at QNRX trying to make a comeback. Yeah, daily's atrocious on Lucy. Atrocious. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be like that. We need the I want to get that casket meme for Billy. Would the African dudes be carrying the casket? Oh, for real? Who was that? Yellow Beezy? Stupid. Let me get on and be a millionaire rapper. Please. Ain't no way I'm going to jail. I'm gonna be like Uncle Elroy. Yeah, I know. I was the one that said I was never gonna move out the hood. As soon as I got my money, I was gone. Yeah, Q next. Everything got a long way to go. We gonna get a trade on it today. Got work to do. Yeah, that's a almost 20-cent spread. 25-cent spread. Mm-hmm. Let's see. What's the old Hassan would have got stopped out over here on AMD already. And maybe tried this one again in revenge and stopped out again. Let's see. Might have tried this double bottom down here. Got stopped out there. Might have been able to stay out of that. Yeah, probably wouldn't have traded that. Yeah. Word. Yeah, I definitely would be down at least 2R by now. Maybe just one. Maybe just one on AMD. I give myself a little credit. Wiser than most. What's going on? If I get to do this every day, I mean, I've been doing it every day, but like to get paid for it and not have to go to work afterwards, bruh. I might start a Twitch channel and play Call of Duty. Nah, I got much bigger aspirations than that, man. I'm gonna get my drift car popping, man. I found a YouTube channel. T Pain got a YouTube channel, a drift channel with Hurt. I was super surprised. Super cool, man. I totally want to be a drifter, man. I used to watch them drift guys tour the world and go to all those different competitions and just think about the amount of money it costs to have the trailer for the car. You got your team of mechanics, your whole pit crew basically. Tires, like just tires alone, bro. I guess you get sponsorships. If you get good enough to get sponsorships, maybe that stuff starts getting easier and you start making money. Yeah, so it don't get easy till you start actually doing good. Uh, this is looking interesting here. Of course, the higher high is a mile away up here. This makes it super easy. Like just putting the line over the high that it needs to break. Now it's down here though. Yeah. Yeah, 100%, man. Like you literally don't have to take bad trades. You can just be like, just let it go. I remember feeling stressed out about, I know it doesn't look perfect. I know it's not checking all the boxes, but I just feel so inclined to take the trade. What is that? I'm like, oh, what is that? Oh man, wild days, man. Not under 10. Um, yeah, I definitely it's got to be over 963 for sure. I just need to see the uptrend. You gonna hold $10? Is that the plan? What's this low? 1002? Dang, scanner ain't loaded up all this time. Yeah, it's not doing too well. If it breaks this low, it's probably done. 956. Man, Leon, you still in your short? That joker break 586. It's looking bad. Ain't getting no trades on these small caps today. I mean large caps. Oh, look at small caps too, actually. Mhm. Okay, got a little volume coming in here. Probably got one. Probably got another leg down to this low, actually. I would expect. My scanner just won't load up today for some reason. Out here flying blind. I'm gonna afford trade ideas one day. God willing. That's all we need. Come on, Lucy. You like that level down there? A little pre-market support area? It's kind of cool candle right there. Really nice narrow range candle right there. A little double bottom at 266 on the 5. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Man, they're still young. It's only been 30 minutes. On what? SEPN? Oh, okay, hold on. Breakdown of trend 10 foot 4. I still don't understand the ABCD pattern. I watched like 2 videos on it and I was just like, might be a little slow though. Oh, okay, I got you. I would be tempted to take this like maybe 2 weeks ago. That's all we need, baby. It doesn't even, it does nothing for me right now. It does nothing for me. What up, Jack? Hey, Noor Salam, bro. I appreciate that, man. I'm trying. I've been trying really hard, and it's it's nice to see some results here. ICCT, yeah, it had to be over 430. It's a long way to go. iCore Connect. No catalyst. What you got going on, Jack? Come on, Jack. Tell me you short AMD at 147 at 122.47. Come on and tell us. MU. I knew it was something. 97.50. Yeah. It's literally exactly what I saw on AMD, bro. Literally. It looks like a Jack chart. Way to go, man. I hope this thing bounces off this EMA and freaking drops to the floor, bro. Uh-oh, we're getting some life over here. That's on me, baby. AMD. Could this be the end? The bottom? Oh, yeah. That's disappointing. But a great win. So you usually scale into your positions? The volume's definitely picking up. I'm not mad at it, Trey. I mean, it's still downtrend. It's in the active downtrend, but this looks like ending volume coming in here. We got the buying volume coming in. No sellers for real. And I mean a little pop, but this is still super weak volume, bro. It's super weak. It's definitely getting lighter and lighter. So yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this candle right here though. A little tiny baby volume pop. Why would you buy a downtrend? I don't know, bro. You kind of buy a lot of downtrends. uh, I sure used to buy a lot of downtrends. Right, I bought a downtrend. What was that earlier this week? Yesterday? I mean, last week. The open, yeah. Dude, your entries though on your positions, bro. Every time you tell me one, bro, now I just expect it. When you tell me you trading something, like that's why I said AMD. Like, all right, high of day is what? All right, Jack's probably in like 2 cent off that level. Pretty cool, man. Oh, I'm telling you, bro, it'd be straight 100% downtrend. Oh, really? Yeah, but your what's your RR ratio though? Like 4 to 1? Yeah. Why, Trey? That's what's up. Okay, here we go, Trey. Here we go. Here we go. There's some volume finally coming in. Yep, you right, bro. Them candles getting tiny as heck. Shoot, all I would need is if I was trading this on the one, give me one higher high above that last high, above the EMA and a pullback. Valid 1 minute trend, which I could play. I just have to take profit like a 1 minute trend and stop holding for the moon. I don't know. Might be something to consider. Lucy, look at that. That's pretty nice, Trey. Oh no, I forgot about this 15 being below the EMA. Yeah, SEPN looks good, bro. That's nice. My man, what's your entry, bro? It's got to be 10 or less, right? Stop 983. Would you take it over 1011? 1023. Oh, okay. You just got long. Break of trend line. Mm-hmm. Trey, look at the 15. You see how it's holding this EMA? This go Joker get over 1080. This is a squeezer, bro. You can't sell more than 90% of your position. Promise me. Promise me, bro. Because I'm going to get in over the EMA. And you better still be there. Target 1109. All right, for 80%, 85, 90. Nah, do your thing, bro. That's exactly what you want to see. Volume coming in, big move. Beautiful. Beautiful. Boop, 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 boop. We got some time on us, folks. Yeah, a lot of 5 minute candles need to print before it's set up. Lucy seemed like it's getting some action. Hey, did I bring that cookie up here? Ooh, lappage off that EMA. See, it's actually still in an all-out downtrend on the 5. On the 15, it's above the EMA, still cool. 5 is downtrending. 1 retook the EMA, but you know, that's why I like to wait for that 5 to get right. I know we're in a longer term uptrend because the 1 has to uptrend for a minute for the 5 to start uptrending. You know, that's like next level confirmation. Ooh, you still in there? Uh-oh. $83. Where's the 83 at? The re-entry of the trend line or something? Now this is kind of nice. Not buying the 10. Yeah. AMD done made it back over to EMA. Getting kind of excited now. Man, I kind of want to take this candle right here, honestly. But there's definitely more confirmation to be had after this leg for sure. This could easily come up to like 120.50 and reject. So we need more. SMCI, I got it over here on watch. 43.65. Man, the way this 15 closed below the EMA is a little sketchy for me. But I do like that it broke the top of it already. Be nice over 44.50 for sure. It's still holding you up, holding you in there, Trey? Oh yeah, it is. You still in there? Hands off, right? Hey, bro. Nah, stop placement is key, bro. Yeah, once that 15 gets below the EMA for me, it's just like the daily being below the EMA. It's just like the downtrend is too strong. But if it retakes the EMA, that's a strong signal to me as well. So, you know, it's just sketchy right now. I am bullish on it on the day, but Also, SMCI was one I was a little hesitant to put on because it already had a wide range day yesterday. Which, if it was like hovering around yesterday's high, I wouldn't want to trade it. But because it gapped up so much, I thought it was a good play still. And actually, we got a high over here. Let's put a little line right there. Yeah. Shoot, over 44.50, man. I think it's gooch. He's looking good now, Jack. You saw something. Well, we'll see what happens at this EMA though. This is a pretty big move down on the 15. This could easily make a lower high and continue down. So, just put the position in perspective. You're almost $1 in the money, bro. So, stopped. That's what's up, Jack. Good stuff. Got a nice little base going on here on SEPN. It's on me, babe. Yeah. Wow, that's a nice reclaim right there, huh? On volume. What is going on? Get out of here. hmm Higher low on the 5 again. And on my diamond on. I need a different line color for my higher high line. Yeah, that Joker gotta prove itself. Yeah, but just look at all the volume on the 5. Most of it's red. Same with the 15. It looked like it's trying to head down and break the bottom. Gotta, I don't know. Gotta see what happens right here. You get a lower low on the 5, might be wrapped. That's what we need. Did we get a higher high? Nope. Short by 2 cents. I think this would be a great 15-minute play. No, no, I don't. I don't. Not yet. Not yet. Dang, y'all, we might not get a trade today. Not expecting that. Oh, my scanner's working again. Need some help. Lucy's starting to look fabulous. But it's got a lot of work to do. 15 got to get back above the EMA for sure. But the daily's just so trash. We held up. Yeah, same. Yeah, OG. It seemed like that kind of day. As soon as I go to the gym, market gonna pop off. Watch. That's Yeah, this is a good signal when it's up here above the EMA. Below, it could easily just be, a retracement to the bottom, continuation. So that's why you just always have to wait for that higher high. It's so easy to get caught up in the retracement leg of a downtrend thinking it's an uptrend when it's just a retracement leg of the downtrend, you know? HWH. Yeah, super cheap, no volume. Womp, womp, womp. See this email again from uh our team is actively working to resolve the issue. I wonder if they fixed it yet. Is my internet just like hella janky right now? AMD might be ready. SMCI getting a little pump in the market here. Yeah. This is trash. Take this right on off. Yeah. I can't get Trader Sync to load at all now. There it goes. Molasses. Ain't nothing got real energy. Like, is there anything out there that's pumping? Ooh wee. Someone holding it up. Yeah. It's looking good over here. Let's see what happens. Need that higher low. I want my get back. That ain't happening, bro. This mug is on a downtrend. It is holding up, though. Not much. Volume getting drier and drier. As it's going down, though. Ooh, got the higher high on SMCI. Oh, yeah. Well done, Jack. I hope I ain't shake you out of too much or nothing. That worked out nice. Hell yeah. I feel like I should have took this right here. But we gotta wait for the higher high. Gotta be patient, man. That's all. It'll come back. Yeah, there's always this. I realize the fear, how deep the fear of it not coming back to get me is, and that's why I always want to get in early. But it comes back to get me a lot. There's really no reason to have the fear. It's really irrational. I got a journal full of setups of a stock making a new high and then coming back to get me, and then we ride off into the sunset together. You know. Yo, what up, K1? Took a little off of VWAP. Yeah, that's a super nice trade forming for you, bro. Back to higher day, it'd be bananas. That's what's going on with you today, K1? It's been pretty dry over here, man. You got some trades in? SMCX. Is that cheaper or something? Or a 2X? Well, they got ETS for everything. Yeah, I know. Um, yeah, you and me both, bro. Yeah, it's not bullish yet. Like you're definitely early, bro. You're early, which is great. You're already taking profits. And it's okay to be early when you're gonna take profits. But it definitely could bounce off this line and just, as of right now, this is a big leg down and a small leg up. It's just a retracement on the downtrend. So it's got to put some work in for sure. Yeah. AMD though. AMD holding up well above the EMA on the 15. Nice little tiptoe on the 5. Well above all the pre-market trade, most of the pre-market trading. You know, not a bad pullback. I think AMD is going to be the one today. I just hope it doesn't leave me. It very well could. Have my phone. Oh. Still wicking that 11 lows, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna watch and see, man. I'm still waiting for the high over 119.53 and then a pullback after that. 10-11 you're long. You know it's still downtrending, right? Oh, it's 10:11 the downtrend. He said, "Shh." uh, just wanted to throw that out there in case you weren't considering. If it's gonna be worth something, it's gonna uptrend and give you an entry, bro. It's downtrending until it's not. That's facts, bro. Oh, snap. SMCI. D. Over the EMA on them with the higher high. I'm ready now, baby. Give me the higher low. We can make some moves. That's all I needed to see. My man. Nice strong move up over this level. Yeah, just go on and pull it back. So you could have seen it on the one. Boop. Dang, SMCI is rolling, bro. Amazing. AMD's lacking over here. Come on back. Holla at your boy. It's still scary as heck on the 15, though. Yeah. It looks like selling volume right there, too. I do, too. I don't like that top wick, though. Like, to me, this is a huge sell signal, but it's on the one. But, I mean, it's elevated on the 5, too. But we just got to see what's going to happen from here. Long. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Okay, nice signal on the 15 too, man. Hammer time on the 15 at the EMA, bro. That's pretty nice. Okay, we're getting some volume in here now. Yeah, I know, man. It's definitely looking like a no trade day, which is crazy. I need some investors. 43. Okay. It's looking great, bro. Oh my God. There you go. Come on. There you go, Trey. It didn't go past 43, but it touched 43. Nice. Oh, it went 43.5. So hopefully you got a fill. You get filled? There's 45, 49. You kept the partial, right? Oh, yeah. Dang, that 15 signal though. That's pretty fire. I should have took that. Nah, but I said I wasn't gonna take the 15 in spite of the 5 anymore. Like if the 5 is good, but it's just not giving a setup, but the 15 is giving the setup, then cool. But if the 5 is like below the EMA, all that kind of stuff, making lower lows, you can't take it just because the 15 looks good. But this is a pretty nice candle for sure. My man. Well, I'm trying to find my way somewhere. I'd really like this candle to close above 75. Yeah, if it can close above 76, that'd be super cool. I'll probably take it anyway, though. Mm. Yeah, 15 is super scary. Mm-mm. All right, we got the higher high. That's what's up. Well done there, Trey. Nice trade, bro. Yeah, it does. I really want to take the break here and just put my stop under there, but Hey guys, side quest. It would be really cool to turn this into like a legitimate channel, like for wifey. So if y'all could hit that subscribe button, help a brother get to that 1K sub level. I've got like a main thing and then a side thing going. You know what I mean? um, Need the subs up, man. That's looking kind of nice. I just think the 15 looks crazy. The 15 is a literal short setup, but the 5 looks long. Um, that looks really good. Look at this nice buying volume, but it's red on the 15. Oh, it's about to close. Dang, man. Yeah, I think the real high is this one for sure. Man, we've been trying to do it. He needs a new he's been wanting to get a new computer because his old computer wasn't really working out that great. And our schedules have been kind of crazy, but we've been trying to get another episode in for months. It's like once you break a rhythm, it's really hard to get back in. Mm. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, the gym fall off, bro. It's weird when that happens, man, because you love it, but it's just so hard to get back in there, man. That's what's up. Yo, what up, Paul? Yeah, I think they're super sketchy, bro. Without a lot of confirmation, anyway, you know? Like it's trying to bounce on that trend line, man. That looks kind of cool. Super wide range entry though. Too wide for me to enter, but looks interesting. Got 80s. Oh yeah. Hmm. We about to find out. This wick up here for sure is, kind of diabolical. What's that? 45.19. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Thanks, bro. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Market got our back, Jack. I think. Look at this pullback on the one. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I love this pattern. Supposed to go up though. Supposed to go up though. There you go. There you go. Yeah, we just gotta get over this 45.20, man, and we good to go. Come on, baby. Yeah, there's 45. Come on with it. It's looking good, man. We just gotta get over this candle on the 15, bro, and I think we gooch. There we go. 45, 12, 15, 16, 17, 19. It touched 20. It touched 20. Come on, break out. Yes. Yes. Let's go. All right, so this is gonna be our Billy gauge right here. I'm your pusher. I know, bro. I really hope the market takes off behind this K1. I know, man. Just pick a direction. Mm-hmm. Yeah, close at the top, bro. Love that, man. This is beautiful. And we over this 15-minute candle right there, bro. Now we can look at this as the pullback leg, maybe. And we rock it up to 50 today, baby. Inshallah. That would be so fun. Bruh. At least high a day, bro. High a day would be, I don't know, 4 or 5 R pre-market high. I mean, look at that, baby. We are moving. We got motion, Jack. We got motion. Do your thing, Jack. I am not mad. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, the volume tells you everything you need to know. Like, you just watch how it move. Like, look at this peak right here and how much volume on this move up. That's a sell signal all day. But this little grinding volume, I ain't selling that. Especially on the 5. Like, when I see something big like this right here, I see volume creep up to this candle, I'm selling something. But yeah, I ain't even seen a 1 minute sell signal yet since this one. I'm way optimistic though. I probably need to bring it back a little bit, but I'm always, oh man, pre-market high, $50, you know? So I'm trying to get myself to take profit. But I definitely don't like leaving stuff on the table, you know. I have like 100 executions here and then one at the top. Like, bro, what if you just held all the way to the top? Or held until at least hold until you get a sell signal. Like, go back and look at some of my trades and see some executions like, yeah, that's a good sell, but why did you sell though? Just because you had money? And I think that's kind of the default experience, which is why the chat be going crazy on me when I'm up money and they're like, bro, sell, sell. And it's like, but the chart, bro, the chart's good. We're good. You know, just started moving. I'm really trying to be patient for a big volume spike on the 5 and just ignore the 1. If I did that, bro, I would carry shares super high. So that's what I'm working on right now. The read and react, forget the P&L, trade the chart. And then you get to see what you did at the end. Hey guys, hit that like button for me, please. Pretty please. Like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bro, we sat here till 10:50, did nothing. And then the setup came and we attacked. We attacked. Appreciate you guys, man. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. That's what's up, man. Where'd you get in at, Noor? Appreciate you, Trey. Mm, 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 mm. You was in 44.75. Oh yeah, you got a nice move. Where'd you sell at? Nice move for sure. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, here's some volume creeping, but look at the 5, bro. The 5 is not saying anything. 5 ain't saying nothing. 5 is like, chill, bro. Let us work. Let me work, bro. I almost had a no trade day, Alex. It was looking like it. I was like almost about to be like, well, all right, y'all, I'm going to the gym. But I definitely want to make money, you know? There's a little 1 minute popper there. Okay, okay, we moving up, moving up. 46 incoming. Nah, it's got to be really good. Like when the entry is super fire. Come on with that, bro. They played me on that one. Bro, when my hotkeys mess up, it is the most irritating thing. I don't understand why it would put out a bracket order. I just don't understand. Fine. What a jerk. Definitely a big sell signal on the one. Let me see. That shit still shouldn't create a bracket order though. Like that doesn't even make sense. Cancel all symbols to clear the route, clear the orders. Price ask -1. Share position. Order. Time and force day plus. Sell. There's nothing wrong with that script. Bro, they did me dirty right there, bro. How dare you? Well, I like to do the RCal route with the ask -1 because I get ECN credits for selling like that. But I mean, at this point, I would definitely rather have this is a terrible candle right now. This is where I would want it to sell out. But I don't think my stop's in danger or anything, but that's definitely a place where I would like to take some profit. That sucks. Hopefully this ain't ending volume though. Yeah, I see it. It looks good. I just need a actual entry. Here's the ad spot though, Trey. Yeah. I definitely would want to see a real move over this line and a pullback. Right. Yeah, I'm not worried at all about this position, Jack. I think we're straight, bro. I think we got a lot of money to make. I'll definitely take some out at this high, though. I'd love to see it get engulfed pretty quickly. Look at that. Look at the 15, Jack. This is a strong candle right here, bro. Over this high. I think we're good, bro. Definitely a sell signal on 5, though. I really wanted to have an execution up here. I tried. I did my best. I did my best. Got played by the platform. I'm gonna have to clip that. All right, bro. Let's do it, Jack. We get a high up over this high. I'm moving my stop under this candle, and that'll capture, something. But I think the next signal like this, you gotta get out 3/4 though. For sure. Actually, zooming out, it makes it not really that crazy. Dang, that's a lot though. What's that? A million shares on a candle. 45.92. Mm, 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 mm. Just don't turn around, man. We gotta get over 46, bro. Don't you dare. I know, bro. Just go higher. The one is super solid. The one is uptrending and it's not moving very far away from the EM. I mean, it did kind of right here, but it's a very chill uptrend. The five just took the EMA and made its first higher high. So I would expect two more after this, at least one more. So I feel like we good, man. It's definitely in our way right now. The momentum. Ooh, the spy looks nasty though. Ew. Could add right here, but this isn't really a good entry. And I really got a great entry on this. So I'm just gonna chill. Should have added right here on the one. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. This is looking interesting, but it just seems so dry at this point. Yeah, I'm not interested. Wow, the 15 actually looks really nice though. Kind of missed that. Damn, that's really good actually. All the time frames look great. But the price action's horrid. Horrid. There she goes, man. It was pretty clear. It just like the 15 was good, the 5 was good, the 1 was good. If it gives me one more pullback, I'll mess with it, but I just I'm okay with it with leaving off the stuff that I have doubt in, you know? I'm totally fine with that. If it goes, hope whoever's in it makes great amount of money. But just got to be able to pass up some stuff sometimes. Just the it just looks thin. It I don't know. Just it doesn't have that feel. uh, it's definitely creeping up though. Like one more higher high, higher low above this, and I'd be in there. But like, there's no conviction from the buyers. Like they've been stepping in, but they just bump their heads right here, and then the sellers bring it back. But we did just break the level. This is a nice entry. Still there too. Till it ain't. Yeah, that's not a nice candle either. I'm good, bro. It's too late in the day for all that. It definitely could chug. I mean, it looks like it's gonna chug, but it's just I don't see the conviction. You know, look at this smooth volume and smooth trend forming right here on SMCI, and then look at this crap. You know, like why would I jeopardize this great trade and then get into this sideways subpar? You know, just ain't worth it. I want to see 47, Jack. I wish we'd get this new high so I can move my stop up and feel some sort of comfort. Yeah, exactly, Trey. See, look, oh, I'd have been sick, bro. I'd have been sick. $100 gone. Same worth it. Man, it would have been so much nicer having a red arrow at the top of that 46 candle. Right here. I almost had it, bro. Almost had it. uh, I wonder if it would have done that if it's just a button, if it would do that like on this. If I just put an order in manually. I can't never put orders out for SMCI, bro. It's never been shortable. It's been on permanent SSR. Isn't that weird? This might be a long one, Jack. Man, really, Wave Rider? What you trade today? Market's been really choppy. PLTU, yeah. Good do today. Yeah, this is kind of exactly the candle I expect to form after a big wide range day. That's why I don't like to trade them after those big days like that. You just get a bunch of billies at the open, and then everybody takes profit and it slams. Which actually makes so much sense. It's a nice little two candle pullback. I'd love to see it get bought up before it closes. Close over 45.50 would be cool. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I try not to take them all the way off my watch list just because they downtrend at the open because they can definitely base and start uptrending again. See it happen all the time. All right. Look like we sitting through a 15-minute pullback, Jack. That 46 would have been really nice to take out at. I tried to, bro. That's really frustrating. Yeah, I ain't mad at you, Jack. I'm gonna wait and see what happens here. I'm hoping for a bounce at this EMA, which is also it's looking kind of bad now. It's a 15-minute pullback, for sure. So we got 10 minutes for that. Hopefully, it's just one candle. It's definitely at support up here at 45-ish, 45, 45.20. So we just gotta see if it's gonna hold or not. Nice volume coming in right here at 45. Hope it's buyers. Yeah, I should have sold up here. Man, to have taken a partial out up there and then sold down there would have been really nice. Yeah, I know. Just want to see what this 5-minute candle does, man. Mm-hmm. Oh, I tried to sell. I tried to sell, bro. It put out a bracket order and then I started fumbling around trying to fix it and then it dropped. Oh yeah, what's that, Trey? Look at the 15 now, Jack. Beautiful. I just want you to know. Let's go, man. You still in there, Jack, or did you stop out?
SBUX.
Oh yeah? Cause you had time. How many trades you take today? Two? Stop just below 44. My man. Oh yeah, cause you got in like way down here, bro. I forgot about that. Huh. Trend lines are fire, bro. Like you said, just like the fib. I mean, it's just the way the market moves. Hmm. Ooh, what you say about that hourly, Jack? At least pre-market high, bro. Lord have mercy. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm definitely considering microdon. Is that how you say that? Microdon trading? I'm definitely considering what I'm gonna do at this 46 level. Yeah, just on GP, you got to get some out there on GP. Man, that 15 though. Y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? Bro, I want to add again. Oh my God. I'm gonna chill though. I like want to keep my average below the EMA. That's what's up, Trey. Love those kind of days, man. Looking for that 45.75 break, man. Stops break even, so at worst, we just get a disappointing good read,
MCHP.
disappointing execution on the back end, but no losses. I can't even put the dang on order out without closing this one. Yeah, because you get more confirmation too, man. Sit through less pain. Yeah. And just not only that, but it's so easy to fall into buying a downtrend that lower day, bro. It's super easy. It's a straight trap. Come on, hotkeys. I need you to work right now, bro. I ain't got time for it. Straight up. Huh. Okay. I may be more inclined to sell some when we get to that top then, Jack. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just see what the volume does when we get to that level and what the price action looks like. I'm definitely ready to sell some right there though, right through 46. But I just really think the 15 is super bullish. And the 5 is super bullish. The daily's bullish. The market's curling up.
MRK.
What could possibly make this come out as a bracket? I just can't see it. I don't know why that would. Yeah, it just looks too good right now, Jack. But we gotta see. This is definitely a big level. And then right above it is another big level. You know, we got 46.13 and then we got what's that, 46.55 we gotta get through. 57. And then pre-market high, 47.13. There's 46. There's volume coming. You funny, Joe. It's moving right through there, bro. Moving right through there, bro. It's like a new trend over that level, bro. All right. Next volume spike, we're selling some. Absolutely. Just just go to 50 first at least, bro. I told you, Jack. No, let me not like I'm not a fortune teller, but we good, bro. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it.
Order filled.
Billy has entered the chat. Take a little bit with you there, boy. Take a little bit with you there, boy. All right, now I need to see Billy up at 46.57. I know it's more Billy in you. Hockey work, that's nice. Kermit might make an early appearance.
SX.
I sure would love to see a higher low on the 5 so I can move my stop into the money more. Damn, it's not doing anything. Oh, okay. Market looking nice. AMD fizzled all the way out. I mean, not all the way out, but it ain't doing anything today. Small caps went nowhere. Just me and just SMCI, bro. That's all we needed. We just need one. Just need one. Fun fact, I'm watching 6 charts over here. And I put them up today. And I was like, listen, I'm going to trust you to watch more stocks today. But you don't take an entry unless you get it set up. You hear me? So it worked out. I think I can trust myself a little bit more to be patient and wait for what I need to see to take an entry. You feel me? Let me in. Oh, I'd be so happy if we can move up from here. It's quite the level. I like what it's doing so far, though. One's kind of sketch. just really wanted to hold 46, man. At least close above 46. 30 seconds left on that candle. I don't like that. I don't want to sit through a pullback, bro. Oh yeah, that's what's up, Microdime. Yeah, I really try to catch the 5 minute trend. So as soon as the 5 minute starts putting in that first higher high, higher low, I really want to get it and ride it until it starts making its first lower low, you know? So I'll move my stop under every so I got in here, stop under the low, get a higher high, higher low, stop under the low, and once the trend breaks, I'm out. And I try to take profit on the peaks too. Hopefully we can get one more peak at least towards 47, man. Got a kind of a nice little consolidation happening. I think I could just move my stop underneath this low though, to be honest, which is 45, 44. Because that's like the equivalent of it coming way down here, which you could probably say it's over. Yeah, breaking through 75, honestly, would be quite a drop from here, I think, as far as structure. It's already back below this high. We're running out of gas, man. The volume has definitely dropped, but it dropped on the pullback, so hopefully sellers are done. Get some buyers back in here. Yeah, I'm hella moving my stop up to there. Yeah. Which was the wick off VWAP? This one? Molasses, bro. It's just a chill 5 minute pullback though. Little ain't nothing wrong with a little 2 candle pullback. I'm getting a little aggressive with my stop. With that being said, 11:20. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I haven't looked at VWAP in a long time. Hmm. That's nice volume right there on the one. That looks great. We can go back the other direction though. Not that way. See, we got to realize we're right in the middle of all of this crap. So it makes sense that we're grinding. Once we get above here, though, hopefully, hopefully, we can stretch our wings, get some big boom boom candles going up. We still making higher highs and higher lows on the 5, so until that stops, I'm chilling. I don't see the curl. I don't like that this high is so close to this high though. I do wish it stretched out a bit more. But again, we're trading in this opening range with all this volume in it, so I'm trying to be patient for that. Get down on the floor. I get it, bro. What's up, Knives? I'm okay with the volume drying up on the pullback. It looks like, I mean, we got a nice little pop on down here, but yeah, I don't know. I almost want to put my stop right below 70. What is this? Right below 70. But because I definitely don't want to sit through a 15-minute pullback. And if it breaks down this level, I mean, talking about a lot of time here. So hopefully it goes up, and I can move my. This is definitely a great spot for the stop to be as soon as we get another high. but I just don't want to mess it up, you know. It's going great, Knives. It's going great, man. Feel like my patience has definitely stepped up to closer to what it needs to be a profitable trader. Because where I was at, it was never gonna happen. Yeah, man, just one, bro. I thought it was gonna be a no trade day the way it was looking. I like this volume pop right here on the 5. Let's go, man. It's looking good on the 1. Let's just go. I looked at TSL a couple times. Nice pop there. Sheesh. Hey, I got TSL in my swing account. TSLL. That's cool. I'm so mad I didn't add when it was down to $6. I just didn't have anything in my account, bro. Poor people problems, man. Nah, yeah, I'm definitely not chasing it. But that's nice. That's real nice. All right, what we doing, man? What we doing? I can get out right now for $1 a share. But ha ha ha, or I could just trade my system and move my stops up on the higher lows and sell the peaks. Look how easy that is. Look how easy that is. Always sitting here having like an emotional decision with the chart when there's already a system in place. Don't have to think about anything. Just trade the damn system. That was so easy. That's why I hid the P&L. It's the fear of losing what you got that makes you not trade your system. With your system, you built your system because it's the best way to manage a trade for you. So I gotta chill, man. Literally everything I want to happen is happening. But just sitting here waiting, you just all these thoughts coming in, and oh man, you got a wick over here, and volume, and it's just if you just write it down and just do that, relax, man. And most of the time, my strategy outtrades me. It's like very rarely do I decide to go against my strategy and I come out on top. The strategy is like undefeated. So I'm not chilling, bro. If this makes a new high over this high, I'm gonna move my stop here. If it crashes out, I'm getting break even. It is what it is. Yeah, bro. But if it rejects this high up here, I will move my stop up for sure. So we'll see what happens through 46.24. If we can crack that, well, I guess either way, when we get up there, I'm moving my stop up. Rejection or not. Honestly, we already got the higher high on the 1. My man, Trey. I do, bro. I see my strategy work out very well for me over and over. And I also see myself mess it up. Like literally, like your strategy's running with the bag of money and you just trip them. Like, bro, what? I had the bag. What are you doing? My bad, bro. Just chill out, bro.
An MCR.
Yeah, for sure. I know. Can't nobody just tell it to you, bro. You got to get them lumps. You got to come in here and get lumped up. Yeah, I'm stopping out down here for sure. I'm not going to let this crash out. It is what it is. It put in the low, so I have somewhere to put my stop. I'm scared that this little low volume might be, you know, the last of Billy. Yeah. That part is tough there, bro. All right, you're right. Damn it. I would be very upset, Knives. I would be very upset. But I would also be pretty upset if I got nothing and I'm a dollar in the money right now with 231 shares. And I took profit up there already too. You know, I know. If it breaks this level, I take out most of my shares, but I still leave some for the dream. Win win. I actually made a hotkey for this. I've just been scared to try it. I got a three quarter split stop loss that loads the box. And well, I forgot I made that with Chat GPT though. So I don't trust it. It's late, bro. It's lunchtime. I think I'm gonna take it, y'all. Just freaking take it. Hilarious. Nah, I'm definitely not. I'm not ready yet, Jack. It's getting intense though, bro. It's getting intense. I'm just thinking about getting out a nice portion if it breaks below this level. I'm still for sure keeping the. I don't know, man. It's late though. I'm chilling though. It's my job. uh, if you would just go up,
LIT.
all of this will go away. SMCI. Just go up. Please. Why would you just go up? Okay, we cooking then, Jack. We cooking then, bro. Let's cook, man. How we looking on the 15? Pretty darn good. I just don't want to be in a 15-minute pullback again, though, Jack. That could be the whole rest of our day, man. It just might be out of gas. I think this stop is a very good stop, though. This is the type of trade, though, that can give me that cushion I was talking about. I see a 2K1. The spy looks amazing. Come on, baby. It's our time, Jack. It's our time, man. Damn it, man. Yeah, I gotta cut it, Jack. I gotta cut it at. If it breaks 45.70, I'm out. Man, but why? We got a lower high for sure. 15-minute candles getting narrow at the top, but no sell signal. Just volume drying up. This might have just been it. This and then the double top back up there. Yeah. This is, I mean, this is, hmm, yeah. That's on me, baby. Can we get a high back over 46.12? Is that the high I'm waiting on? That's the high I'm waiting on to give me permission. No, 46.28. 46.28, I can move my stop up and it's gonna stay there for sure. I dropped 75 shares, I think. I don't want my P&L to influence my decision, bro. That's why I got it hidden right here. I just want to trade the chart. And the reason I want to move my
IBRX.
stop up is my P&L. Even though I can't see it, I know I'm $1 in the money. Still, bro. Whoa. Could have sold some up there. Yeah, I be trying to figure out this level 2 over here too, Jack. I'm be looking for hope. Looking for hope. Hostage over here. Yeah, I see it. We're above that though, bro. High on March 12th, 44.99. What's your what's your thesis on that, bro? I like that right there. I like that a lot. Just a pattern. I got you. Yeah, I feel good about it being above that level. I marked it out though. I definitely saw that when I was looking at SMCI pre-market. I marked it out, but I don't think we got to worry about that. I'm worried about this high day. Come on, baby. We ready now. Look at that 15-minute red hammer right there. High is 4607. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. It's been what? 2 hours and 44 minutes we've been sitting here hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me. Pretty please. Waiting for that '07 break just to make me feel good. There it is. Is it '07 or '08 that I wanted? Okay, we need '08. 0699 is what we got. There's 8. Barely. Oh, come on. How you gonna break it and then trade off? Better bring yourself back up here. $46.13. We moving up. I have one around here, bro. I don't know what happened to my fidget spinner. I used to have one at my desk. I don't know what happened to it. Oh my God, just go. Market pulled back again. Yeah, no, I was feeling the same way. A nice higher low on the market would be great. Man, Jack, I sure hope we get paid our dues for waiting this long, man. We putting in some hours today, bro. I got in at you've been in longer than me. I got in at 10:45. It's 12:21. Oh my God. We're approaching 2 hours, Jack. We gotta get paid. That's why I'm like to stop out break even at this point would be ludicrous. Well, I took some profit, but not enough. Yeah. Just- I'm telling you, bro. The market maker, somebody owe us. Ooh, look at AMD over here retaking the EMA. This is legit play right here.
Order filled.
All right, Micro Don. Appreciate you hanging out, man. Good to have you. We don't do boredom trades anymore, Trey. I told you I taught Pooh Shiesty how to trade the 5. Yeah, that's a good idea. Big volume on this candle. Mhm. All right, market is curling a bit. Nice 15-minute. All right, stop up to 45.59 underneath that test to the EMA, and I'm gonna leave it there. Shoot, I almost want to buy the SPY right now. 15 lining up, 5 lining up. Market look good. See if we can get some residual pump effects. Look at Lucy over here. No volume though. Yeah, small caps are done for the day. Jack, this would be the most craziest comeback. Wild, bro. Now look how long it's consolidated, bro. It's ready to go now. If it's gonna go, now's the time, man. You got a nice 15-minute pullback. You see the 15, a nice little 2 candle pullback on low volume. That's exactly what I love to see on a setup when I want to buy it. That 2 candle pullback on low volume and then break the high. Boom. This high is 46.08. Man, buckle up.
CRWV.
I got to keep an eye on AMD too, boy. We over here caking on AMD too. I'm telling you, Jack, for sure. I mean, not for sure it's going to break, but an hour of building definitely makes for a better break. 46.04. Cooking on simmer, baby. Ooh, getting some sales signals over here a little bit. It's on the one, though. Definitely looking for at least 119.61. All right, the one has retaken the EMA, little pullback, and we take back 46, hopefully. Start our march. Oh. I told you that SPY was looking good, boy. I almost you just bought it right here. Look at that 15. It's definitely heat, bro. Well, that looks bad. AMD just has so much volume. Like it's raging in. Oh, SMCI. We had so much hope.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Well, I think we both took some profits out of there, right, Jack? Nice trade. Finally. 44.89. Yeah, it definitely have room. I'm up a lot higher than you, so I had to secure the bag. I still think overall higher time frame is good, but the 15 pullback is bad. I didn't want to sit through a second. Like if it just did two candles, it's cool, but that third one plus below the EMA on the 5, that's enough for me. Pretty nasty. Ooh. Ooh. Sheesh, what a long day. I just had to get into AMD, huh? Yeah, that was a lot, bro. This 15-minute candle is pretty bad right here, though. I don't like that at all. Looking bad for this one. What's this low? 17. Boredom trade? It's not. It was a setup. I was watching it. Got a high here, higher high above the EMA, higher low. Take it. Stop under the low. Yeah, that's true though. The lunch part. Could have definitely not done that. Mm. Trapped. Stop playing, Jack. I'll take another setup on it. That's what we doing, Jack.
Order filled.
Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Wasn't that a stop market? Oh, the price. 45.85. What am I thinking about? All right. Well, we just added there. Jump the gun a little bit. At least give me that 65 break. Man, I can't believe that ad jumped the gun like that. Not looking at the dang on price. Where did I get that price from? 40. I guess that's from SMCI. Well, that was a purchase. Oh yeah, my brain's fatigued. Yeah, I'm feeling it, bro. We're not trading through lunch anymore, y'all. Tomorrow, gotta have like cutoff time before we're not looking at new positions anymore. Maybe I'll close my watch charts at 11:30.
Order filled.
That sucks. Not too bad. Could have done without that AMD trade for sure. Yeah, I did for sure. Bruh, this was definitely the sell signal though on SMCI, this candle. And when we got back to there, I should have been way more aggressive with taking shares out. I mean, so close to the goal. This should have been three quarters out up here. But I'm just always too optimistic, man. Not bad though, man. I feel like it was managed pretty well. I just wish I got more out at the top, of course. Of course. Yeah. Honestly, it's downtrending way too long. Like, if it's bullish and it just like makes a big move at the open and then starts building, that's cool. But like it downtrended the most of the day, and then I caught this weak break. Like there's no real igniting volume to set this off or anything. That was hella weak. Yeah, it's evolving. So kind of building this things as I go. 15 looking kind of cool, but yeah, thanks, Kizzy. Left a lot on the table, a lot on the table, but uh, well, maybe not that much. Maybe like $50, more $100 with that AMD loss. But 2R ain't bad, man. I like I said, I want to get my 2R to the point where it's like $500. When 2R is $500, bruh, chilling, chilling, man. But yeah, man, that worked out real nice. Worked out real nice. I was really worried about the AMD loss. I'm glad it wasn't a full R. Think I managed that pretty well too. All right, y'all. It was a long trading session today, man. Please hit that like button for me, you guys. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm here every morning grinding away at this, man. And we turning the corner, baby. We are. Let me see if the journal is working now so I can take a quick glimpse at that before I get out of here. Is it DOS or is it the journal that's not working? Nope, still not updating. Yeah, I got an email from my broker saying that the sync is messed up. Yeah, for sure, Kate, for sure, Kizzy. So yeah, May is lit, man. What did we have yesterday? Like 300? We made $300 yesterday? 377. 377 yesterday. 206 today. Got 2 more days left in the week. Um, this calendar's starting to look up 629 on the month, not including my last 2 trading days. So yeah, over $1,000 profit. We did $5 risk this day, 25 this day, 50 this day, 100 this day, and I think I went to like 135 here, kept it at 135 there, no trade day, 150 here, and this was a miserable day. Back down to 100, and we're just gonna cruise at 100 for a while till I get some cushion in the account. Hopefully by the end of this month, I don't know. We're just gonna take it 1 day at a time, man. Just keep straight in the strategy. Uh, Still got kind of some loose boundaries. I don't want to trade through lunchtime. This AMD trade was right in the middle of lunchtime. If that was a clean rule for me, like a firm rule, maybe could have saved myself that trade. Um, yeah. So I think we there though. I see it now. I know what I was doing wrong. I've always seen it, but there was just like a gray area that it just allowed me to take a lot of bad trades. And I think we've defined that. We got clear black and white now for the most part. And yeah, hopefully I can avoid much of the bad stuff. I'd still be in this AMD trade too. That's funny. But yeah, man, that's a wrap. Um, Appreciate y'all for hanging out, man. Another good day, man. I mean, how many days we need for we can call it consistent? I guess at least a month, right? Yeah. Yeah, I've had good weeks before for sure. 3 months. Ah, God. Yeah, you're right though. Yeah, all green, baby. All right, you guys, be cool out here, man. Be safe. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Discord links in the description. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. Look out for the review video. Peace.